Hi guys. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up a Raspberry Pi computer from scratch. For starters, we'll take a look at required hardware. First, get yourself a Raspberry Pi computer. Here you can see a Model 4B with a cooling case and 2 fans already installed. The case and fans are not strictly required, but they do help to prevent overheating. You will also need a power supply, a micro SD card, a micro HDMI to HDMI cable, a laptop, a USB hub with micro SD card slot, if your laptop does not have one. And finally, you will also need a keyboard and USB mouse. And last but not least, a monitor. Go ahead and insert the micro SD card into its slot and connect the USB hub to the laptop. We are now ready to download and install the Raspberry Pi operating system onto micro SD card. First, open your favorite internet browser and search for Raspberry Pi OS. Click on the link to open the Raspberry Pi OS webpage and find the right download link for your laptop. In this example, the laptop runs Windows. Once the Imager program is downloaded, find and launch it. Note that the version that you actually download might already be newer than one shown in this video. Go through installation steps, and at the end of the installation process, leave the option Run Raspberry Pi Imager checked, and finally click Finish in order to launch the Raspberry Pi OS Imager program. In the following dialog, choose the right Raspberry Pi device. In our example, it is a Model 4. Next, choose the desired operating system. If you are not too sure, just choose the recommended one. Under Storage, select the disk drive that corresponds to the micro SD card. Finally, click Next and then Edit Settings. In Settings dialog, enter desired hostname, username and password, Wi-Fi network ID and Wi-Fi password, wireless LAN country, time zone and keyboard layout. Under Services tab, leave SSH selected. And finally, save your settings. Click Yes to launch the Raspberry Pi OS installation on micro SD card, and yes again to confirm it is okay to erase all data on the card. The installation process will take a few minutes. Once finished, remove the micro SD card from USB hub or laptop and insert it into your Raspberry Pi. Finally, let's launch your Raspberry Pi for the first time and see some recommended actions. Connect your Raspberry Pi to external monitor using micro HDMI to HDMI cable, connect USB keyboard and mouse, and finally the power supply. Once the OS desktop is shown, click on the Raspberry symbol, go to Accessories and open the Terminal window. In Terminal, first type sudo apt update command. This will refresh the package information. And finally, run sudo apt full upgrade to update the packages to latest versions. When the command finishes, congratulations! Your Pi is now ready for many exciting technical projects. If you found this video useful, please click the thumbs up and subscribe buttons to stay tuned and to be notified of new video tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.